All right, we hope you can hear you. Hey, Don Ray here, owner of Augusta Ranch Golf Club. You've seen me do videos about golf, swings, and rules tips and things like that. But have you met Todd? We haven't. We haven't done a video with Todd Gatto, our new food and beverage director. Todd just got done doing the wedding here. He put the food out there. Another happy couple. Have you had your wedding out here? I bet you haven't, but you should. If you have a granddaughter who's looking to have a wedding, if you have a daughter who's going to have a wedding, you should come here. Todd, what's the best part of having a wedding here at Augusta Ranch?
Oh, you know, we get great memories and moments, and just being a part of this excites us, you know, and it's just the beauty that goes into it, the work that we put into it, and then we just see a couple like Paul and Jeanette over there, just are having a fantastic time, and you know, we played a little part in that, just an amazing feeling, you know, these are the stuff that we love to do here, we're passionate about it, we've done 4 weddings in the last 2 months, I've only been here 2 months, this is amazing, and we love to do this stuff, you know, so come on out, you know, and not just this, but any events, we had one last night, every night, whatever, but you know, please consider us for your next event.
I think we found somebody who talks just as much as me, so you better look out for future videos. Remember to come to AugustaRanchGolf.com, our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, our Twitter account. We're there, we're everywhere. Come see us.